Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 0. Referee blows the whistle and the match starts. First off, I would like to congratulate the Orlando Pirates fans for selling out the Orlando Amstel Arena. This is a good advert for the PSL. 3 minutes inside the game, there's already a couple of attacks by Orlando Pirates. You can feel the urgency to score once they kicked off the ball. 4 minutes in the game, Apollos plays a through ball to Mofokeng. Once Mofokeng is inside the box, he crosses the ball to Mbetuma, who traps and scores a goal. Orlando Pirates 1, Magesi 0. Apollos through ball managed to eliminate 6 Magesi players. Once Relay had the ball inside the box, there was 4 Orlando Pirates players and 3 Magesi defenders. Excellent goal by Mbetuma. Chipezeza had no chance at saving it. For the next 10 minutes, there is more attacks and ball rotation by Orlando Pirates, keeping most of the ball possession. 24 minutes inside the game, Apollos receives the ball. He crosses the ball inside the box. The ball finds Mbetuma, who tries to score, but the ball is saved by Chipezeza. Pirates have been dominating the game since they scored. More attacks by Orlando Pirates, but most of their shots go wide. Orlando Pirates could have been sitting on 3 or 4 goals right now. In the 40th minute, Apollos plays Mbetuma, who does a 1-2 with Relebogile Mofokeng. Mofokeng finds himself at the edge of the box and takes a shot and scores. Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 0. There was no way Chipezeza could have saved it, as the goal went to the far left bottom corner. What a great goal by Mofokeng. Mofokeng assisted Mbetuma in the first goal, and now Mbetuma has assisted Mofokeng for his goal. 2 minutes later, Mofokeng wins the ball in his own half and makes a run towards the opposition box. He then passes Moremi, who cuts inside and takes a shot, but Chipezeza makes a lovely save. Even though being 2-0 up, Orlando Pirates still want to score more. Orlando Pirates end the first half with a high. Magesi has been chasing shadows the entire first half. The coach of Magesi needs to make a technical change if they still want to come back and win the game. Referee blows the whistle and it's half time. Sipaceni is yet to make a save. Magesi will have to do better coming back into the second half. The second half starts and Magesi kick off the ball. 10 minutes inside the second half, Mofokeng plays the balls to Apollos. Apollos pushes the ball forward until he's inside the box, takes a shot, but Chipezeza makes a save. Magesi has been defending since the first whistle has blown. Even when Magesi receives the ball, it's like they don't know what to do apart from kicking it forward. Orlando Pirates need to be a little more ruthless, as they miss a lot of opportunities which could have been goals if maybe someone made a pass instead of shooting at goal. 65 minutes inside the game, there's a ball played to De Jong, who's in Magesi's box. Unfortunately, De Jong misses the ball, and Chipezeza also misses the ball, leaving the ball in the middle of the box. Nemtajela takes a shot, but the ball goes wide because he was under pressure from a Magesi defender. I'm not sure if playing a back 3 was the best decision for Magesi, because whenever the left back and right back are eliminated, the 3 center backs are a little late on decision making. Not sure who's going to attack the Orlando Pirates player with the ball, or who's going to stay inside the box and defend the Orlando Pirates attackers. In the 75th minute, a through ball is played to Sivelevele, who finds himself inside the box, takes a shot, but the shot goes wide. Maybe if he played the ball inside the box, Moremi would have had a better opportunity at scoring. But I'm guessing he wants to score a goal. Since he's back from injury, he will need a confidence booster. For the next few minutes, Magesi have a fair amount of time on the ball. All of the attacks go wide, causing no problems for the Orlando Pirates defense. Going to 90 minutes, there's more attacks by Orlando Pirates. Right now, they're just rotating the ball amongst each other as they know they've won the game. Referee blows the whistle and the match is over.